So in the last session, just we started DSA with Java. Let me revise for few minutes about this particular course. After that, we will go for continuation part. See, coming to this, so the title of the course is DSA with Java. Total thing we are going to discuss with Java implementation. So next, very important. So this batch timing is not from 6:30, it is from 7 p.m. So maybe from the Monday class onwards, we are going to take this session at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. session would be there. Topics we are going to cover as a part of this course in the sense total we have 20 topics are there which I already enclosed and I explained in our previous session, starting from introduction to algorithms to what are all the data structures that we have and what are the different types of data structures we have, everything I covered. And yesterday even we started one concept called sorting algorithms, how you can do sorting of algorithms. What is mean by sorting? Process of arranging the elements in an order is called as sorting. So it can be ascending order or it can be descending order, anything. Okay. So even sometimes customized order also we can. So I explained some examples also based on that scenario. Next, if I want to work with that algorithm, sometimes I'm going to take a small numbers and I will explain how you can do that sorting. But every time, if I take the same example, which may not be correct. That's why how to generate some 10 random numbers, for sorting purpose. So by using this random class, we are going to create some 10 random integers. Since you can see, I created an array with the size 10 and I generated how many elements? 10 elements. So what is the range of that value? From 0 to 100, it will select one item and it will store in A of n. Sir, I'm printing that array before and after so that we can see what is the difference. Okay, so next and after that, even the basics of sorting, how to sort the elements in ascending order, how to sort the elements in descending order, how to sort the elements in ascending order with the customized range, descending order with the customized range. So both I covered with the help of examples. So we have seen different cases also, right? So up to this, if you are clear, then I will start today's concept. Please confirm everyone clear up to this. Clear everyone, please confirm. Clear, right? Please unmute and unmute yourself and speak. Right. So next and after that, I'm going to write some special cases here around some 12 or 13 cases. What is the topic here is, sir, every time you are not required to write your logic. There are some predefined methods also there. So predefined sorting methods. What are the various predefined sorting methods are there? Sir, there are two types of predefined sorting methods are there. There is one package with name util. There is one package with name util. There is one package with name util java.util. In this package, one class is there named with arrays. So dot in this class, there is one special method is there, friends. What is that method? Is sort. Similarly, there is one more class with name collections. In this also, there is one special method is there called sort. Of course, you know the difference when we should go for arrays and when we should go for collections. Sir, when we should go for arrays, for example, if you have fixed in size and if you have homogeneous type of elements or something like that, fixed content means you should go for arrays. If that content is keep on changing, we should go for collections, but behavior is almost both are same. So based on this, I will take some cases. What is the first case is, sir, I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order. Sir, I want to sort primitive integers in descending order. First, these are the two cases. Sir, same thing. I will go for customized range also. Primitive integers in ascending order with customized sizes or customized range. Here also with customized range. Sir, these two for primitives. Okay. Now I'm going to sort integer objects. Okay, I'm going to sort integer objects in ascending order, and I want to sort integer objects in descending order. Similarly, sir, I want to take string objects. Okay, I want to sort string objects in ascending order, and I want to sort sir string objects in descending order. Same like this, I want to sort string buffer. You know very well about string buffer, right? String buffer objects in ascending order, string buffer objects in descending order. Sir, next I want to take sir string objects in ascending order with our customized logic. Sort string objects in ascending order with customized sorting. Customized sorting. What is that customization? We will write the logic for that. Then, sir, I want to sort student objects. I want to take one student class. I want to sort student objects in ascending order. So, with respect to maybe hall ticket number, that means ID or name. Okay. So, under percentage like this. Like this, I want to do. So these are nothing but various cases I'm going to cover by taking some examples. Sir, friends, please confirm everyone. Do you have any questions up to this? Theory part, if you are clear, then we will go for implementing the programs one by one. Everyone should speak. Please confirm. Clear? Now, sir, coming to the case one. I want to sort primitive integers in which order? Ascending order. I want to sort primitive integers in ascending order. Let us take a Java program to perform this operation. Let us take a Java program to perform this operation. Now here I am going to take, let it be util package should be there. Now I am removing all these things. Right. So now you can see first step. I am creating random object. Random R is equal to, so new random. I created one object for which class? Random class. Then I'm creating one array. You can see, is it a primitive or not? I created one primitive array here. I created one primitive array here. Sir, after creating primitive array, I want to fill that array, right? For I is equal to 0, I less than a dot length I plus plus. I am filling that array. Okay, I am filling that array with r dot next int of 100 with 100 elements I'm filling. Then system dot out dot println of arrays dot to string of a I'm taking, and after this I'm going to take arrays dot sort of a. That's all. This sort method is going to sort the total data in ascending order. Okay. So what this sort method is going to do? Just now I told it is going to sort the total data in ascending order. Everyone please confirm. Are you clear with the logic? Yes, everyone should. Right. So let us check whether it is working or not. Java C test.java. You can see the code is going to compile fine. And Java space test, you can see these are the objects before sorting and these are the objects after sorting. So you can see all the objects are sorted or not. Yes. Can I do the same operation in descending order? Yes. What you have to do in descending order? What you have to do in descending order? It is a bit tricky logic, sir. Listen carefully. I want to sort primitive integer values in descending order. Sir, what is the modification that you need to do here is for primitive, there is no reverse order. We have to write the code manually. Array, can you please sort the array in ascending order? After that, I will implement a method called reverse. What that reverse method is going to do? Sir, it is going to reverse the given input. That is nothing but we are giving an array, right? It will reverse that array. But how that logic I am going to construct? Sir, it is very simple, sir. You need to take a starting index, which is nothing but 0, ending index, which is nothing but 0. Okay, not 0. Sir, a dot length -1. Okay, and I am taking temporary for sorting purpose. So until the value of starting index is less than ending index, what I am going to do? Sir, temp is equal to a of starting index. A of starting index is equal to a of ending index. A of ending index is equal to temp. Like this I am taking. Sir, after this, you have to increment the starting index by 1 unit, ending index by -1. That's all. Okay, let us see how it is going to work. Sir, is all the objects, all the integer values, primitive values are sorted in descending order or not? Yes. If anyone wants, I will explain that reverse logic. Otherwise, we will move further because these are only for primitives. Sir, any questions in this? Please confirm everyone. Or do you want me to explain that reverse?
Sir, can you explain that reverse?
Yes, but functionality you understood, right? Forget about the logic. Functionality you understood, right?
Yes.
Why we are doing this? Now see, suppose assume that I have one array here. I have one array here. Please listen carefully. This is nothing but my array having some 5 elements. Let us take something like 5. Next and after that 2. Okay, next and after that 7, 8, 9. Like that we have. Sir, what about their indexes? This is 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index. Sir, what is the starting index value initially? I am taking 0. What is the ending index value? A dot length. This is my array, right? What is the length of the array? 5. 5 minus 1 means 4. Are you clear with these parameters? Please confirm. Clear. So what are the initial values? 5 comma 2 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 are the values. Now starting index is 0. Is that the starting index is less than ending index? Yes. Then these three lines represents interchanging of these two indexes. So here 9 will come and here 5 is going to come. Next, what we are doing? We are incrementing starting index by 1 unit. We are decrementing ending index by 1 unit. Sir, up to this, any questions? Now what will happen? Sir, again, is the starting index is less than ending index? Yes, sir. Now what will happen? These two are going to be swapped. Now starting index will be incremented by 1 unit. Ending index will be decremented by 1 unit. Sir, is 2 less than 2 is true? No, sir. Then it will stop. Now observe, what is the first element? 9. What is the next element? 8. What is the next element? 7. What is the next element? 2. What is the next element? 5. Sir, are you seeing? Is that elements are reversed or not? Yes. Sir, everyone should respond. Clear up to this? Any questions from your end? Any questions from your end? Right. Now, so this is nothing but how this sorting is going to be done. Next, sir, forgot about the primitives. Now, same primitives I want to take, but I want to sort in ascending order with customized range. That means in between the locations, can I do the sorting? Yes, happily we can do. But what is the immediate step that you have to take? Sir, in sort method itself, you can pass some two parameters. What the sort method is going to do? It will sort from second location to seventh location minus one. That means what? Sixth location. And if you want ascending order, you have to remove this reverse. That's all. Now observe, if I am executing the code, you can able to see there are some objects you can see here. So 0th location, first location, from second location, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Up to this, you can see the objects got sorted in which order? Ascending order. Are you seeing? Yes. If you want, let us run one more time. You can see that pattern wherever you have given the locations, in between those locations, the data got arranged in ascending order. So this is nothing but how you can able to sort integer objects, sorry, integer primitive values in ascending order with customized range. Sorry, I don't want this. Can you please do descending order? with customized range. Up to this, okay. But how to mention the starting and ending location? That is my problem, right? So if you want to give descending order, what you need to do? Sir, very simple logic. Sir, you have given arrays dot sort in between these locations. It will sort from second location to sixth location. Array, can you please reverse the array from second location to seventh location? What it will do? Second location to sixth location. Already it is in ascending order. Already it is in ascending order. Now we are converting into descending. Sir, what you have to do? Just reversing, right? So here starting index is x, ending index is y minus 1. What is x? We are passing that separately. What is y? We are passing that separately. Okay, don't get confused, friends. Now observe carefully. Is in between those locations, is the data got sorted in descending order or not? Yes. Clearly you can observe. Clearly you can observe. Is the data got sorted in descending order or not? Yes. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this? Come on, please respond. These kind of response I never expected from your students. Please respond. Please be active. Can I go for integer objects? Yes. Sir, how to sort integer objects in ascending order? I want to sort integer objects. No problem, since I am talking about the objects, you can use collections also or arrays also you can use. Sir, how to do that? Let me take one integer array objects. So what are the elements? Let it be 10, 19. These are integer objects, not primitives. Only for primitives we can generate random, not for objects. Like that, I have some values. So arrays dot to string of a we can use, and I'm going to take, I think if you want we can print directly. No, I think it won't. So arrays dot sort we can use, or collections dot sort also we can use. No problem at all. Now let us see. Is it going to sort all those objects in ascending order? Yes. So can I do the same thing for descending? Yes. What is an issue? Happily we can do. If you want, maybe that is the next case. I want to sort integer objects in descending order. So what is the next point we have to take? In collections module, there is one special method with the name reverse order. We can apply that reverse order method. Okay, we can apply that reverse order method. You can see is the data, total data came in reverse order or not? Yes. This is nothing but the convenient approach what you can able to do. Clear, friends? Up to this, any questions? Yes, respond. Feel free to ask your questions. Right. So now I want to sort string objects. I want to sort string objects in ascending order. How to sort string objects in ascending order? Instead of integer array, I will take string a is equal to string array a is equal to. Let us take the elements like triple C. Okay, next and after that triple A. Next and after that triple B. Next and after that triple Z. Next and after that triple R. So next triple W. Next triple Y. Like this, I'm taking. I'm printing that, and after this, how you can sort? Arrays dot sort of A happily we can use. Sir, is all that objects got sorted according to the alphabetical order or not? Yes. This is nothing but how we can able to sort. Sir, what is next case? I want to do the same sorting, but string objects in ascending order. How we can able to do? Sir, very simple. Here I am going to take, so collections dot reverse order. If you take automatically, the data is going to be sorted in reverse order. You can see happily it is working. At least give response now. Is it clear up to this? Clear. Are you people are there in the session or not? Right. Next. Sorting string buffer objects in ascending order. Sir, you have sorted string objects. Can you do this for string buffer? Yes, happily. What is the problem? But you can't represent string buffer directly, right? Now I am taking, so string buffer array A is equal to, sir, within brackets, new string buffer of, let me take banana. This is one string buffer object. Next, new string buffer of, I'm taking apple. This is second object. So new string buffer of, I'm taking cherry. This is another object. So new string buffer of grapes. Next, new string buffer of mango. Like this, I have taken some string buffer objects. Can you please sort this? Let us see how this will be sorted. According to the alphabetical order, it is sorted. Maybe I think in the previous versions somewhere it won't be sorted. Let me check. Okay. 1.8, 1.8. Let me take this 1.8. Now observe. Sir, are you seeing? It is telling, sir, you can't compare string buffer objects. It is telling you can't compare string buffer objects. Why? What is the reason? Because in old versions, that string buffer object comparison is not allowed. If you want to do, you have to write manual code. How you can write manual code? You need to write the comparison logic separately. Now here I'm going to take, sir, class my comparator. I'm going to take my own comparator which implements, so comparator class, sorry, comparator interface. In this there is one method named with compare. Sir, what type of objects it is receiving? Let us take plain objects. Object 1, object. Now I'm going to typecast these objects to string buffer. String buffer SB1 is equal to, sir, I'm typecasting that OBJ1 to string buffer. Similarly, so string buffer SB2 is equal to, I'm typecasting these two string. Now Can I return directly? Sir, you know how to compare strings, but we don't have any method for string buffer comparison, right? That's why, can you please convert the first string buffer object into string dot compare to with second string buffer object, try to convert it string. That's all. Now, is this error is going to come? Sir, what is the somewhere spelling mistakes? Somewhere spelling mistake. Now let's compile. The code is compiling fine. Is that runtime error will come? Yes. Sir, why it is not coming? Sir, you have created your own comparison, but where you applied that? Where you applied that? Here, I'm passing that my comparator object. Just I'm passing that my comparator object. Now what will happen? Sir, is that sorting is happening or not? Yes. So if you want to do the customization by your own, these kind of logics we have to implement. Sir, can I do the same thing in reverse order? String buffer objects in reverse order. Logic is the same, right? Logic is the same. What is the modification that you need to do? Here,
JSP comparator.
sir, here just reverse, right? Can I take minus? If you negate that, automatically you can see you are going to get in the reverse order. Like that, whenever you require, you can sort based on your requirement. Clear, everyone? Please confirm. Clear? Clear? Right. So now I want to sort string objects in ascending order with customized sorting. What is that customized sorting? Sir, let us take very important. You can take string itself or string buffer itself, no problem. But let me take string objects. I have these string objects are there. Okay. My requirement is not based on first character. But if you want to sort based on first character, what you are supposed to do? You can compare directly. Automatically, it is going to be sorted. I think here you can take SB1 dot compare to of SB2 because those are string objects only, right? Now let us see. Sir, as usual coming. Sir, you can see based on the first character it is sorted, right? Now I want to sort the total string objects based on second character. Then what you need to do? You have to write your own customized logic, right? Here I am going to do. How you are going to compare? Array SB1 dot sir char at of 1 minus SB2 dot char at of 1. Like this I'm taking. Sir, is it sorted based on the second character? Yes. Like that, you can customize this. Like that, you can customize this. Sir, same thing, I want to do it in reverse order. Or based on the third character, or based on the last character. Like that, I want to do. So, what you have to do? Assume I will take some other example. Customized sorting 1, customized sorting 2. See, what is my requirement is I have some input what is the input that I have is, sir, 458 followed by 123 followed by 100, 915, 915, so 333, okay, 845, next 557, so next 999, okay, like that I have. My expected output is, sir, I want to get 100, next 915, next 123, next 333, next 845, next 458, next 557, next 999. Have you observed? These are numbers. But if you want to compare based on middle digit, it is not possible, right? So what I will do, I'm going to implement in the form of numbers, I mean strings. Then I will do that. How you can do? How you can do? Sir, here, now what I will do is, listen carefully. I will create some array list objects. Array list. What type of values it is holding? Integer objects. L is equal to new array list of holding what type of objects? Integer objects. Sir, I'm creating random numbers. Random R is equal to new random. For integer I is equal to 0, I less than 10, because we don't know the size, right? We can't predict it. So L dot add up R dot next int of 900 plus 100. So y means I will explain. Then since I'm using these collections, right? What do you need to do? So collections dot sort this list based on new my comparator. Now you may have doubt on this. See, I want a 3-digit number, right? We know the 3-digit numbers are going to start from 100 and the last number is nothing but 999. So I want to generate 10 random numbers. In that, sir, 0 to 99 also will be there, right? I want to exclude that. Anyway, this deadline argument I have given. Sir, if you add 0 with 100, what is output? You will get 100. Is it a 3-digit number or not? Yes. If you take 87, if you add with 100, what output we will get? 187. Sir, is it a 3-digit number or not? Yes. Even you can take 900. If you add with 100, you will get 4-digit. Anyway, it is always excluded. If you take 901, it won't be allowed. Sir, if you take 899, if you add 100, these things are not allowed, right? Then what will happen? 999. Have you observed? So automatically it will generate. Now, anyway, I'm converting into what type of object? String objects. Now let us see, based on the first character, I'm going to sort. Why these many errors are coming? Because we are not required to convert it into string. By default, these list objects are providing support for what? ToString method are internally implemented already. Now observe, class cast integer object cannot be converted to string. Sir, integer object, it is unable to convert it into string. Why? Because here we know these are integer objects. Now let us do. I think you can't directly typecast. You can do one thing. Object 1 dot to string. You can do like this. Object 2 dot to string. You can do like this. What is the problem here? My comparator is not abstract method and does not override abstract method. Compare in comparator. Better here also I will do typecasting, then we can able to access. Yes, now you can see. Sir, these are the 3-digit random numbers what I have. And you can see based on first character, the sorting is happening. If you want second character, just you have to take one here. Now you can see based on the second character, the sorting is performed. Any questions up to this, please confirm, everyone. This much explanation I have given, right? At least you should respond.
Sir, here we are taking integer and then converting integer into string. And then we are doing
Yes,
sorting.
yes.
Okay.
Why? Because we can't do directly, right? Because that integer object is representing a number. How we can convert? Not possible, right?
Sir, we cannot write like this, like integer in return integer dot sb1 minus sb2.
No. See, integer wrapper classes concept you should aware. See, if you have a number, you can't get digits directly. You need to write a separate logic for that. First point. Okay. Second point, if you want to convert any integer object into string, so this is the method. That's why we got error. This is the method that you have to use. So your object will be converted to string, not typecasting. Typecasting is not allowed here.
Okay.
Clear, everyone?
Yes. So like if we have taken only integer and if you want to sort only integer, then in that scenario,
this story is not required. Directly you can write corrections.sort of here. Automatically it will sort. Previous example we have seen, right?
yes, got it.
Any explanation is needed? So right, remaining 2 cases anyway I will cover in the tomorrow's class. Now please confirm those who are willing to join, just to give your names. The timings are from 7 p.m. Yes, those who are willing to continue in this batch, please give your names. Okay, in my right. Anyway, tomorrow also the same link you have to use for continuing. So tomorrow maybe basics of sorting I will complete, and we will go for bubble sort, selection sort, these kind of things in the tomorrow's things. Okay. Right, sir. Thanks for your time. You can be. Notes and all we will share separately, sir. Don't worry.